In this video, we're going to quickly show you what cladding is, where you can use it, and how it's going to benefit you if you're looking to renovate or decorate. We will provide a guide a little later on in the video, which you can use to install cladding yourself and save money. Let's jump in. What's cladding? Well, cladding is a decorative design which many people use to decorate their walls or their ceilings with. It's nearly always made from a material called PVC. This is a plastic material which has been designed to meet two needs: lightweight and solid. It comes in a few different sizes and thicknesses, ranging from 5, 8 and 10 millimeters thick, and these are the common sizes that you'll usually buy it in. The length of a panel has been designed in such a way to meet the full length of the wall, so you can add it straight to the wall, as simple as this. Cladding is used internally in your home. It can be used to decorate hallways, kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. In fact, pretty much anywhere in your home. The next logical question is, why should you use it? And how will it benefit you? Let's start with cost. It's 80% cheaper than tiles. So if you want to save money or you're on a budget, it's a no-brainer. It comes in a massive range of different designs, finishes and colours. So whatever your needs, cladding has a colour or finish just for you. Cladding is just about the easiest thing to install, which is a tick for most people. And you could just interlock the panels as simple as this. They're 100% waterproof, and if you like a clean home, but don't particularly enjoy cleaning for hours and hours each day, you'll be happy to know cladding is simple to clean and wipe down. If you're doing it yourself, remember to watch our easy to follow guide right here. Also, you need to know how many panels you need. Good news, we've got you covered, because Claddtech have designed a calculator, and this works it out for you. The link to this will be in the description. When you've worked out how many panels you need, it's the really fun part: deciding what colour or finish you will use to transform the look of your home. Click on the box on the left of the screen to take you to a huge range of beautiful cladding. And if it's your first time here, we'll even knock 10% off your first order. We wish you the best time transforming your home, and we'd love to see your before and after photos. So if you get a chance, you can visit us on Facebook or Instagram. Send them to us in a message or tag us in a photo. Links to our social sites are in the description. Thanks for joining us today, folks. We hope the video was valuable to you, and if you're new here, consider joining us by hitting subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.